Hi guys! In today's video we're doing it a little bit different. Not only my birds are breeding at the moment, also in the wild the birds are very busy. So today we're going on an adventure to look for breeding birds and hopefully we will see some chicks. And right off the bat we find a house sparrow defending its nest somewhere under the roof tiles. A little bit further we arrive in the forest and find two great titnests close together. We sit here for 10 minutes and see that the parents are very busy bringing food to the nest. And if you listen closely, you can hear the hungry chicks. The parents are bringing a variety of food, mostly different types of caterpillar, but also some worms and, as you can see, some small flies. We also see a great spotted woodpecker. How wonderful! And it gets better. A young bird arrives and the parents start feeding it. We continued and find a natural ditch with lots of bird life. Two small Eurasian coot with their distinct red heads are swimming past us. On our way we find a lot more birds, like this mute swan which is not happy with our presence. Or this grey heron which is looking for fur. Unfortunately I just missed filming him catching it. Further in the field we see a lot of grey-legged goose, with a lot of chicks munching around the field. It seems to be a very successful year for the goose. There are chicks everywhere. But this journey has a specific destination I want to show you. For that, we have to take a boat. If you want to know what the destination is, you just have to wait a little bit longer. In the next video we continue our journey. If you don't want to miss it, click that subscribe button and the bell button so you get notified when I upload my new video. See you in the next video, and remember, stay happy and always love your birds. Bye bye!